1 gigabit CIR internet connectivity. Change 1G internet connectivity. So in this video, I'm gonna show you fastest internet speed test. So let's go to a screen. Now we are on a screen. So as you can see, I'm gonna speed test for you guys. So let's click on a go. So now let's see, we have ping of 18 ms. So 800, 896, 907, 910, 915, 918. So it goes to 1G download speed. So let's check upload speed. It starts from 800 to 920, 925, 930. So it goes 938, 940. So this is the fastest internet speed from Pakistan. Internet speed. This connection is directly from Pi. So Pi 1G port. You can say 1G port. So hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up.